Hello, this is a Tesla Model Y air mattress. It came from Tesla. It says on the box here, made on Earth by humans. Pretty comical. Let's see how I open this. Oh, I might not even need that. There we go. This is the unboxing, and I'll test it out for my Model Y. Oh, this is nice. We'll figure out what this is in a moment. It comes in a bag, and that's, I don't know what this is. If you know what this is. As I'm sitting here editing, this is what I was talking about. I did look it up, and apparently it states do not iron. So please do not iron your Tesla Model Y air mattress. It says Tesla right there, all matte black. Let's open this packaging, this little leather. It's an instruction manual, okay. Oh, these are patches for the bag. That's interesting. It's just a manual. It's a picture book, actually. No words. Anyways. This must be the air pump. Okay, yep. This is the Tesla air pump for the air mattress. Alright, we're outside now. Nice change of scenery. My Model Y. And this Tesla air mattress, it just fits in your sub trunk. Comes right out. Now, I do have this. Personally, this is a pain in the butt to reinstall, but you want to take it out for the mattress. Let me set this over here. For the mattress, we will just pull down the seats. Simple enough. This is my first time ever setting it up. I like to do things in one take. You get the full reaction. Another piece. You know what? Let's take the mattress out. Here's the other piece. I'll just take this, toss it right under here. All right. Take the straps off. We'll just toss them in the side cubby. We won't lose them. There's a Velcro piece here. Oh, that's nice. It stays right on the wire. That is nice. All right, let's roll this out. All right. I presume we'll just unscrew this. This is a, let me get a recording of this one. This is a valve, and it says deflate. So you just rotate it, and it will inflate. And we inflate it with this piece. This piece will screw onto here. That's the mattress. As this is screwed on, this is the air pump. Does it have any branding on there? No. Just has a serial number. I don't see any Tesla branding, but it's from Tesla. hooks right onto the pump. Oh yeah, it's snug. This outlet, just not outlet, but this attachment goes into an outlet back here. This outlet goes right back here, just 12 volt. And that is in. Now, is this the button? This is the button. Wait. I want to time this to see how fast this fills in. Here's a stopwatch. Alright, as I push this at the same time. Now, I don't know. It is filling up. We're 18 seconds in. Alright, I think it's done. It's a matter of... Oh yeah, that's right. So, it won't deflate since you have that that spin I showed you. That release valve. So it'll stay inflated. That was about 20 seconds. Okay, I'm recording this part with the Apple Vision Pro, and this is kind of cool. Alright, it's being fussy though. So let's see if it closes. That was my concern. It did. It did. Impressive. Okay. Open that back up. I was concerned about this, not latching. Now, if it is a problem, you could always move those seats forward, and that could help. Let me crawl in there. This is like first-person view. So, but I would be worried about those vents. Let's push the trunk. And it closed there fine. Alright. This is the bed. Let's lie down. Let's see what... This is a nice view. Imagine waking up like this. But in the better scenery. This is meh. I like this. Okay, back with the Apple Vision Pro. I will just show the deflation. And that should just deflate it. I don't know if I have to push it down or anything, but this is the deflation process. This does have a like a mattress still in here, like a foam mattress. So like even if it were to deflate, you still have some cushioning. Now, how long is this deflating gonna take? I don't know. But maybe it'll help it if I roll it up. So far, the things take longer than... Alright, I'm gonna deflate it like that. Yup. I'm gonna show you this whole process so you can watch the hassle. There I am. Oh my gosh, it's working. Oh my gosh, what time is this? I must be struggling. Wait, is this easier? Because it's too deflated. Is that easier? Oh my god. I got a whole body on this. This has been 3 minutes of struggling. I see. Okay. So you do want to have this closed. So then the air will just leave it. And none will come back in. Okay. Alright. So the first time, I'm doing this. It's going to go back in. Holy smokes. If you try to speed on that, that's not working enough. Okay, where's the straps? Okay, so there's one. It's the other. Again. It's 4.5 minutes of struggling. This is shoot, 4.5 minutes. Great, especially fans. Oh my gosh. I'm about to get this. No. No. Let me get back to you. This thing is a pain to roll it up. It's like when you first get that new mattress and it's like suction and it's sealed, and you open it up and just like expands to its size. That's what this thing was like when I first opened it. I unscrewed this cap down here, and it did, you know, it went to its original size, and it wasn't bad rolling it right back up right away and putting it back in the bag. But when I actually inflated it and then I rolled this up, I see why this bag was bigger. Why this bag is big. Because I hope I can fit it in here. This thing, it's thick now. Right. Okay, so that's nice, it fits. But ideally what I would want is to fit this in there. Let's do this, because I just want everything in one location. I don't want to go looking for it. I can find the mattress but not the pump, or I can find the pump but not the mattress. Don't want that. Which ideally would be kind of hard to miss this. But it zips up in there. Alright. And it's gonna go right in here. Look at it, fits flush. And I also have another kit that's in here. So there's the mattress, and I have a charger. I actually have not used this yet because I have a charger installed. Well, that's nice. It's kind of like textured, so it doesn't move around back here. See? All right. And that fits flat. Whoops, wonderful, wonderful. So that concludes this Tesla air mattress for the Model Y. What are my thoughts? I like it. It gives me more of a freedom to travel in the car to stay somewhere if I want to enter the camp mode. Would I recommend it? I guess I can't say until I actually try it out and sleep in it for a night. For the time I did spend on the mattress, it was comfortable. I did enjoy that part. Setting up is super easy. The setup is so easy, but putting it away was a hassle. I was using like all my body weight to deflate the thing, and that, I mean, I got it, I did it, but it took 20 seconds to inflate it. So the whole setup, maybe 2 minutes or less. To deflate, I did under 10 minutes. So the deflating time is much longer. But the inflating, that's quick. That's all I have to say. Would I recommend? Yes, until I actually try it.